Hello everyone, my name is Prithvi and welcome once again to the YouTube channel of chsimplified. And in this video, I'm just going to walk you through a very short tutorial on how you can use the one-click install feature of Linode and install WordPress in less than 5 minutes. So I'll get started with the creating a new instance, creating a new Linode, and then we'll install the WordPress. So I'm just selecting the Linode 1024. That's the cheapest option available, costing you $5 a month, and it gives you 1 GB of RAM with 20 GB of storage and 1 TB of transfer. So, and I'm just going with any location because this is just for the testing purpose and doesn't really make a lot of difference. So let's just go with the first option, and I'll click on add this Linode. That's it. The Linode is created. So let's just go get into that. And so it is loading the initial configuration. It doesn't take more than a few seconds. And okay, so it has loaded the initial configuration. And as we do in all the Linode cases, we'll have to deploy an image in that. So there are two things. One, you can deploy the image when you can deploy the operating system in that, or other, if you are looking to install WordPress or any other software which is available on Linode, you will have to click on deploying using StackScripts. So I'll just click on this, and this gives me all the options of whatever is available to install. So right now we are just looking for WordPress. That is the first option available right here. So the moment you click on WordPress, it is asking you for a few details. So MySQL root password, whatever you're setting it as, just make sure you save it on a very safe location so that you can retrieve it whenever needed, because you might be needing it at a lot of times when you will not ever get to see it again. You can obviously reset the root password, but I will advise you to just save it in a safe location. Now this is the operating system, the distribution, how it is called in the developers language, what you are looking to choose. It gives you an option of CentOS 7, Debian 8, Debian 7 and Ubuntu 14.04 LTS. So let's just go for CentOS 7 because this is the latest version, and you won't really be doing a lot of server-side changes if you're looking to for the one-click installs, or if you're looking for a few customizations and if you're looking to manage it via the command line, I will advise you to go for the Ubuntu 14.04 LTS. So I'm just going for CentOS 7, and this is giving me the swap disk swap space. So I'll just select the 512 MB, and this is the root password that is for CentOS 7. So the root password is, let's just set up anything. Again, I'll advise you to save it at a safe location so that you can retrieve it whenever needed. And so it is just creating the image, creating the disk of the swap space, and again it shouldn't take a lot of time. Let's just wait for that. And yep, so the disk has been created from the StackScript, and it is now creating the swap space. So that has also been done. It shows a success. So the moment you're done with that, you will just need to boot onto the server. Booting also doesn't take more than 5-10 seconds. And this is done again. So it shows the system is booting with the WordPress, and this again shows a success. So this is it. We have installed WordPress, and now all you need to do is you need to just take the IP address, and you have to make sure that the DNS manager is the DNS of your domain are pointing to that name servers of linode.com as well as the IP address of this particular Linode. And once you're done with that, just go to this DNS manager and click on add a domain zone. Put your domain here, put the email address here, and just click on yes, I insert a few records to get me started using this Linode. And if you have more than one Linode, so make sure that you're choosing the right Linode on which you are hosting your particular website. Because I do have only one Linode on this account, so it is giving me only one option. And once you click on that, just click on add a master zone and you're done. So this is it in this video, and I hope that this was useful. And if you have any suggestions or any queries, feel free to reach out to me on chsimplified@gmail.com. You can also write to me in the comment box of any of the videos on this channel, and I'll make sure I do reply to you within less than 24 hours. And thank you for watching this video. Like and share this and subscribe to the channel so that I can keep bringing you all the latest tutorials from this cloud hosting world. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.